Hello.
Hi. Do you like my snow angel?
It's so pretty.
Yay! Now everyone's gonna see my snow angel and my big butt print. Yay!
Is this deep enough for my butt?
Yay!
Remember that time I said knock out?
Oh my god. She's turning into a snowman.
Oh my gosh. I'm basically snow right now.
We need a big
Catch. Just kidding.
Hi.
Hey! I went sledding.
Yay.
I got her foot.
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
I go sledding.
Ow.
You're the devil. No.
Come to.
I got it!
I don't think that's a bad idea for me.
I don't know.
Hi,
Hi.
it's snowing.
Ready?
Go.
Whoops, I zoomed in. Holy crap.
We have a snowman on campus.
Oh no.
With long, luscious locks.
Oh gosh, I'm scared. Okay,
It's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Kristen gets
I
my
still
Doctor
have
Who
water
up the
on the
stuff.
lens. Yes. Please die.
And
Can I have your beans?
yeah, she can have my, I do have beans.
Bing.
Anything else I have that's worth having, someone can have. I don't care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
That hurt my butt.
Who is that?
Oh, it's so cold.
I don't know, but they're falling.
Fingers are freezing.
Here.
I want to go next.
I'm gonna die.
It's recording. Say goodbye to Megan.
I have no will.
She has no will. I call all her stuff.
I haven't gone sledding in
I
I'll
call
take
her
your
Bobby.
books and I'll claim them as my own and get filthy rich.
I give Kristen my Lord of the Rings.
How did you manage that? Oh, okay, I got scared. Hi, my name's Katie. It's snowing.
Oh my word.
And I just had surgery and I'm not being very safe. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm not a banana right now. This is my hat. It has a little pom-pom. So cute. That's Emily. She's cute. Now I'm going to record Kristen because she's cute.
I just been so slow.
I wonder if I was recording the whole time.
You were.
Okay, go.
You should have seen me go down. It was so slow.
There she goes. There she goes again. That's my beautiful roommate.
I don't know the rest of the song.
Something, something, something. And I just can't something complain.
Something in my brain.
Who's this person? How do I zoom? Hi, random person.
What's up?
Who are you?
Are you Kara? Yeah, Kara. Hi.
Kara.
That's
Do you get
Kara.
more snow in Alaska than this?
A lot more.
You're from Alaska?
Yeah, but it's warm out here when it's snowing.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice.
It is.
Do you have Eskimo friends?
Yeah?
That's awesome.
My best friend's Eskimo.
That is complete. I'm jealous. Over there. I want you to come here. Please, Sarah Lisa. Please, Sarah Lisa. Please, Sarah Lisa. It's recording. Go, Megan. She's an interesting way of sledding. I am gonna go down on that. Here I go. Wrong lane. Ow! I hit a bump.